Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a rare model. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Come test drive the 2018 Clarity. The future is now with the Honda Clarity sedan. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.